Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix on your phone. First, download the Wix Owner app from your device's App Store. It's available for both Apple and Android phones. Once installed, simply log in with your existing Wix account details. This gives you immediate access to your website dashboard, allowing you to manage your online presence from virtually anywhere. It's a convenient way to stay connected to your site. Managing your website content on the go is straightforward. You can easily update text, swap out images, or add new videos to keep your site fresh. For those with a blog, publishing new posts or editing existing articles takes just a few taps. If you run an online store, you can manage products, track inventory, and process orders efficiently, all from your phone. Connecting with your audience is crucial, and the app makes it simple. You can respond to customer messages and inquiries in real time, ensuring excellent service. Sending out newsletters or special promotional offers to your subscribers is also a breeze. Plus, you can view essential site analytics, gaining insights into visitor behavior and how your site is performing overall. Beyond basic management, the Wix Owner app offers several advanced features. You can schedule appointments and manage bookings directly from your phone, perfect for service-based businesses. It also allows you to create and share engaging social media posts across various platforms. Furthermore, you can monitor your site's performance with detailed reports, helping you make informed decisions for your online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.